Something that agency owners usually struggle with is outreach and also getting their calendar booked with possible prospects for their agency. That is something that I even struggled with in the beginning of my agency. It took me about 3 months to get my first client, but after that first client, I literally built an unstoppable snowball effect. And the way I was able to do that is by mastering the art of cold calling. Now look, I know a lot of people are scared to do cold calling. They don't want to put themselves out there. They're afraid to get yelled at, cussed at, whatever the case is, but trust me, you will be fine. It's all about putting in the reps and learning the rebuttals and how to actually communicate with these businesses. Now look, like I said, cold calling isn't for everybody. I completely understand that. So I actually did a test and I hired 2 cold callers for my agency to see what type of results they can bring. Now I was actually very hesitant to do this because I built my own marketing agency solely off myself and cold calling. But now the more and more clients I keep bringing on, the more I need to pay attention to other things. And so that's why I thought it would be smart to go ahead and try this out and also make a video out of it and just genuinely see how it benefits my agency. For those of you that do not know what cold calling is, all it is just essentially finding phone numbers on Google and giving them a call and telling them about your services. So look, like I said, I am definitely experienced in the cold calling field. So all I did was just create a script, send it over to the VAs, got them trained on it, and they were able to bring me results. And to make it easier for you to find these VAs, I'll go ahead and share the exact job post that I made on Upwork to go ahead and find these different VAs that were able to cold call for me. So here's the exact job offer post that I made in Upwork and how I was able to find my 2 cold callers. And so you can see the different things that I put in this. Go ahead and feel free to pause the video if you want to copy this. And you can see the different things that I added. And so if you scroll down to the requirements, they must be fluent in English. They must have experience with cold calling US-based businesses. And also they must be available during US business hours as well. And then the last one that is really important is a short voice sample or loom introducing yourself. And so that way I can hear how they sound, what their communication skills are like, and if they really have like a heavy accent. So here is one of the Upwork profiles of someone that is on the team right now as a cold caller. And so I will have to blur everything out because he's working solely for me. And so let's hear how he sounds.
Hello, good day. First of all, let me introduce myself.
So as you can see right there, his English sounds good. It sounds obviously like you can still tell he's like a little bit foreign, but he sounds good for the most part. And especially whenever you're on the phone, the quality obviously isn't going to be the absolute best. So you can't really tell too much. So he was definitely a great fit. He fit all the qualifications and he was down to get working right away. So definitely brought him on ASAP. So just to show that I'm telling the truth, here is the hire page on Upwork. You can see I brought on 2 people right here. So one of them actually still works with me to this day. The other one I only gave about a week just because he wasn't bringing in as strong of leads as the other cold caller. And like I said, I still cold call myself. So really I only needed one. And the other guy was from Pakistan. He was working for about $6 an hour and I limited him to 25 hours per week. And so the other guy, he's still with me to this day and he's still making dials for me. So I gave these cold callers an SOP and I gave them all the details of the different features that we offer and pretty much how we can help out these businesses. All I did was put it in a Google Doc and send it over right to them. So in this Google Doc, it had the different features such as the booking calendar, the live AI chat widget, the voice AI, the Google review automation, pretty much all the features that Go HighLevel has to offer. And that is what I completely run my agency on, is the software called Go HighLevel. So I'm actually a partner of HighLevel. And so instead of a 14-day free trial, you actually get a 30-day free trial. And that gets you snapshots with website templates and automations and everything you would need for these different niches like roofing, landscapers, all that good stuff you're already taken care of if you become my affiliate. And also I actually do have a free school community that's linked down below as well. And so people might ask different questions in here. A lot of these people are actually agency owners, so you can see what we talk about and the different questions and concerns that come along with running a marketing agency. And so if you want to join that completely for free, it'll be down below. Also in that school community, I'll be giving away that cold calling script. So if you want to join it, it's completely free. Then you get access to that cold calling script. So make sure to join it down below. So look, if you actually bring on these cold callers, you can actually give them good lists where they can actually convert. So instead of giving them lead list of businesses with over 500 reviews and they're already well established, give them list of businesses of maybe businesses that have a Google My Business page and they don't have a website associated with them. That's going to lead to a lot better conversions and they're actually going to be able to book more clientele in because it's an easier sell and they actually want to hear what they have to offer instead of calling these well-established businesses and them not getting much conversions. Or the preferred method is actually getting lead lists scraped for existing marketing agencies that exist already and that's their clientele and reaching out to them and just being nonchalant about it, asking them if they're happy, if they're offering a great service, or if they're unhappy, then great, that works better for you. And now you have them booked in on your calendar. So you can see how many booked clients they got me on my calendar. This is absolutely insane. And it really wasn't that big of an investment. So like I said, it's $6 per hour. You limit them to 25 hours per week. And so that's about $150 each. And if you times that by 2, that's $300 in 1 week. And in 1 week, I was able to close 2 of these deals. Some of them were no-shows. I mean, everybody knows how it is in the marketing agency space. People can get booked in, but they won't show, and then they end up ghosting you forever. But I was able to close 2 deals, and one of them was for $400 a month. So just off that one deal, I already made my money back. I've been running my marketing agency for 2 years, and I still have clients that I signed on in the very beginning. So let's just say that this client ends up staying for a year, okay, at $400 a month. What's 400 times 12? That is $4,800 in just 1 year. And all I had to do was just pay someone $150 for that entire week. And just to show you, this is the client right here, $400 a month website. Plus he wanted a little trial of the ads. So I have that added right there, but $400 a month, just like that. And I didn't even have to do anything besides close the deal. And so the other client ended up signing up for $97 a month. They ended up going with our base package, but that's okay, because if you spread that amongst 12 months, I mean, for the whole year off that client, I'll make $1,164. And again, all I did was hire these people for a week. One of them still with me, but for that week I spent $300, and I gave them a $20 bonus if the deal ends up actually closing. And so I spent $340 technically. And for the clients that I signed on for an entire year of them being with us, I'll make $5,964. And all I did was just invest $340. Look at the return on investment on that. Now look, let's say you bring on these cold callers and you even cold call yourself. Let's say that you have 3 cold callers going at it, going on this list that you've made, or you've gotten off Fiverr, whatever the case is, and you're just dialing and dialing and dialing. Think about how full your calendar can get. And so this method is very, very well, especially more if you're an established agency and you want to start getting into it, or if you're just starting out and you have extra, cash to play with. You can make this investment and get a return on it. I mean, you saw how big my return on investment was, and it's really a no-brainer. So look, if you're struggling with cold calling and you don't want to do it, go ahead and outsource it. I was hesitant myself, and my agency have scaled up to a pretty high point. I have around 100 monthly paying clients. So bringing on these cold callers, I did it, and now I still work with one today, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep working with him for a while. And it's just going to get clients booked on my calendar on autopilot. With a small investment, yes, but the deals that you should be closing whenever you hop on Zoom with them should outweigh that. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.